Hi everyone, welcome to SQL Guys channel. In this video, I will explain you about update query in SQL. So, what is the purpose of update query? Update query is used to update records or rows in the table. So, the syntax to update the rows in a table is update keyword and the table name, and next set keyword followed by the column names. For suppose we are going to update table for multiple columns, you can write the column name and the corresponding value followed by the column 2 and its corresponding value, and where condition is optional. So if you are going to update record for particular row, you are going to give where condition. If you are going to update the values for all the records in a particular column, you don't need to give where condition. Let's see practically how to update the records in the table. If you see the customers table data, um, for suppose you want to update the customer name, whose customer ID 1 to the Kumar. In that case, we are going to write update table name customers followed by the set keyword and column name customer underscore name and the new value Kumar, where customer ID is 1. So the query ran successfully. Let's see the output. Select star from customers. If you see the customer name others is renamed as Kumar. For suppose if you want to update the values for multiple columns, in that case you need to write customer name comma another column name address and the where condition. Let me run this query. So the query ran successfully. You see the output of this table. So we have the customer ID 3 updated with the latest data, others and Hyderabad, in the respective customer name and address fields. So I hope you understand how to use update statement to update the records or rows in the table using update statement. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.